Three-legged downward facing dog. Begin in downward facing dog. Bring both feet together. Then with your hands and legs straight, inhale and lift your right leg straight back and up, high in the air. Flex your right foot and reach back through your heel. Internally rotate your lifted leg so that your knee and the top of your foot point down toward the mat. This will cause your right hip to lower slightly. Reach back further through your right heel and then draw up again through the back of your thigh. Keep your standing legs strong and your shoulders squared to the top of the mat. Imagine that your hands and heels are aligned along one straight diagonal line. Sink your standing heel toward the floor. Align your ears with your upper arms. Gaze between your legs or toward your navel. Hold it here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To release, exhale as you lower your right foot to the mat and place it next to your left foot. Repeat the pose on the other side.